Oops. Oh no 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 no. Brothers. Are many beginners just like me? When we're turning, if we encounter an obstacle, because we can't judge the distance between our car body and the obstacle well, we just scrape against it like this. So today, we're sacrificing my car like this, hoping to teach everyone a lesson. How can we, sitting inside the car, accurately judge the distance between our car body and surrounding obstacles to avoid scrapes? Today, I'll share a few reference points with you. Once you master them, you'll be able to accurately judge the distance of our car body. The content is very practical, so I suggest you save it first. Okay, now that we've already scraped it, the crucial step now is how we get out of this situation. So how do we get out? If you use the wrong method, it will only cause our car to become more severely deformed. So today, I'm going to teach you all how to get out of this. Let's get in the car now. First, after we get in the car, everyone remember this. At this time, remember a principle. Go back the way you came. Whichever side the obstacle is on, that's the direction you turn the steering wheel first. This time, the pillar is on our right, okay. We turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. After turning it all the way, the second step is to shift into reverse. Because we have to go back the way
now
we
watch
came,
carefully.
so we shift into reverse. Alright. Okay, then the third step, we lightly press the accelerator to move the car away from this pillar and get unstuck. Okay. Alright, how about that? Didn't we get out safely in one go? So when we're driving, sitting in the car, how exactly do we use reference points? Today I'll share two reference points with you. Okay, the method we use to judge the distance to the left and right sides when driving usually involves just two reference points. The first one is the leftmost point of our steering wheel, and its extension line outwards. Okay. This point is the reference for our left wheel. Let's make a mark for it. And then, the second reference point is the rightmost point of our steering wheel, and its extension line outwards. Okay, let's also use some double-sided tape to make a mark for it. Now everyone, take a look, as we pass this obstacle ahead, to judge the safe distance between our car body and the pillars on both sides, just look at these two reference points. As long as before we pass through, we see that these 2 points are inside the width limiters, do you see? Then at this time, there is enough safe distance between our car's left and right sides and these 2 pillars. You can drive forward confidently without worrying about scraping. So, in the future, when we're driving on this kind of narrow country road, how do we prevent our car from scraping against the buildings on both sides? At this time, we can similarly use these 2 reference points. Come on, everyone, take a look. Before passing through the narrow road, as long as you see that these 2 reference points are outside the obstacles on both sides of the road, then we have enough safe distance on both sides, and you can drive forward confidently without worrying about scraping the sides. How about it? Have you all learned these 2 reference points? Follow me. There are 1,000 more pieces of car knowledge on my homepage.